Hey everybody, thank you so much for tuning in. Today I have another Dollar Tree video and there are so many cool finds. Lately, these hauls have been getting better and better. They are putting cooler things in the store and I'm so excited to show you. Another thing I did want to mention is I'm going to start mentioning my lipstick shade, maybe even my eyeshadow palette in these videos because I get the question all the time, which is actually quite shocking because I'm not a makeup channel, but it is a little flattering that you guys like what's going on with my face. So today I am wearing Stirred by Infallible, by L'Oreal Infallible. I'll leave the link in the description and I'm going to start doing that for all my videos unless it's something that I just honestly don't know the name of or it's older and wiped off. But for the most part, you'll be able to find those things in my description. Since it is drugstore, I'm probably gonna link it Walmart since it's the cheapest place to get this stuff. Let's go ahead and get started to all these finds. And my first find is makeup related. It is this LA Colors liquid eyeshadow. I love liquid eyeshadow. It totally takes your look to the next level. It's a really cool way to create a cut crease. And I actually have really hooded eyes. So even though my eyeshadow is blended out really well, it always ends up looking patchy or like one solid color thanks to the lovely hooded situation. If y'all have seen this in a champagne gold, let me know because I would totally prefer that and I hope that it performs well. There's a lot of liquid shadows that actually end up quite clumpy or crease and crack. Let's hope this is not one of them, even though LA Colors does kill it when it comes to makeup. My second find is kind of makeup related. It is this gigantic travel bag. This is water resistant. Even though it looks mesh, it's not. It's solid, and this is perfect for traveling if you have giant palettes. A Morphe palette would definitely fit in here. Yeah, a Morphe palette would fit in here, along with some other stuff standing up. I love being able to keep my makeup all in one place. I don't like buying huge palettes for that reason because it's hard to put it all together, but I love this. And you can also use it if you're going to the pool this summer. You can put all your wet stuff in here so that it doesn't make everything else in your pool bag stinky when you're done. This was in the section where they have all of the organizers. I thought this would be in the makeup section, but totally not. This is actually a rebuy because, surprise, surprise, Alex actually melted this in the dishwasher again. So I bought Aria another one of these little Flamingo tumblers. She loves them so much and it makes my life easier because, you know. One thing I did want to mention, and this isn't from Dollar Tree, but I thought it was worth mentioning, is silicone straw with cleaning brush. I'm going to leave the link below to this. You do not have to buy this, but I thought these were so convenient. I love the fact that people are using metal straws now, save the turtles. But let's be real, we can't really give kids those metal straws, at least me. I don't feel comfortable doing it. So these are amazing, not just for kids, but also anybody with special needs, anybody who grinds their teeth, older people. Straws are necessary. Maybe not for me and you, it is just a luxury to not stain your teeth, but there are people who need to use straws daily, and I think that this is a far better option to the metal ones. They are a nice big size, so you can use them for regular juice or thick protein shakes. So this is really nice, and like I said, I'll link it below. You don't have to buy it from my link. You can look for them in stores, but keep this in mind, these do exist. My Dollar Tree has been carrying a ton of little pet shop toys, and I went crazy and bought a few. I'm not giving these to my daughter just yet. A lot of the times when I haul things like this, I haul them to make my gift basket videos, and all of those things do end up donated. So this year I have a lot of stuff just in my closet. I'm gonna put them all together and I'm gonna donate them around Christmas. I don't know if I'm gonna do it to a school or if I'm going to do that angel tree thing, but you guys will be included in that process. And consider that with all the stuff that we haul, do we really use all of it? If you're not going to use it, just save it, put it together, put it in a nice little bag, and it would make a great gift for kids. So I do have this, and I've hauled little pet shop things before. These little sign things from Dollar Tree are getting cuter and cuter. This is super tiny, which is great because not everybody has a huge house to put all these wall art plaques in, and also because it's awesome for a gallery wall. You can just remove the little back piece and kind of plop it in there. It's really nice to have smaller pieces, larger pieces, different shapes and sizes when you're creating a gallery wall. So I love this, and I love the colors. I love that it looks like distressed wood. They do have a few others. So you have a nice selection. I was so excited to see another one of my Dollar Trees had these, and it is the little Star Wars shorts. These actually look like they're adult size. What I hauled last week were Paw Patrol little kids shorts, but they do say large size 10 and 12. So this is definitely an adult size, and it is Darth Vader in one pair, and then the other pair has this really cool galaxy, and it says Star Wars. I love this. I love this. I love this. I wish I would have found the sports bra in a bigger size. It would never fit because, you know, but I wish they did have them in different sizes. Another cool one that I found were Jurassic Park underwear, and these come in a pack of 3. So I got 3 patterns. This is also adult size, and I think this might actually fit. So before I even walked away, I noticed that in a box thrown were the sports bras. So this is also adult size. It says medium/8. This is definitely an adult size. Will it fit me? No. I don't think a large or an extra large would, but I think it is small enough to fit a kid. You know what? Now that I think about it, this actually might be a kid size. So super duper cute. I almost missed them because in my clothing section of Dollar Tree, these were actually thrown in a box. Some of them were hung up. So I am going to insert footage so you guys can see how they set it up in my stores. You might even have them in yours and just pass by them because some Dollar Trees are not organized. However, this one Dollar Tree had a full-blown clothing section with everything separated nicely. They had hats, they had flip-flops, they had shirts folded, and that is so cool because before, whenever I found shirts at Dollar Tree, I had to rummage through a pile and they were all thrown basically on the last shelf of an aisle, and really, really cool. One little thing that does concern me, and I'm sure that some of you have seen these, have been the dollar plus sections. Let me know in the comments if you've seen these, what your thoughts are, but Dollar Tree is adding some expensive items to their stores. So instead of just everything being $1, they're gonna have little sections now that have things for $5 and I don't know what other price, which is kind of cool, but at the same time not, because I feel like they're gonna take products like cereal that they sometimes had for $1 and go ahead and market for $3 or $4. I am gonna try and insert some pictures. These pictures are not from me. My Dollar Trees have not done this yet. So I'll try and put the name of the screenshot if I can grab any. It also concerns me because now that means that more expensive items are going to start to be used in some Dollar Tree DIY videos, and that kind of sucks. I do use a lot of items from Walmart in my video, but when I do, it's because it's a better buy, because sometimes it brings more, or it's better quality and is still $1. So I really, really hope that it doesn't become a trend to start using the $5, $7, whatever dollar amount in Dollar Tree videos. So yeah, let me know what you guys think of the Dollar Tree Plus, if you've seen them in your area, but I'm a little worried for it. The next thing I found was this So Fresh So Clean wash off mask. I bought the peel off one that hurts really bad, and it did irritate my skin because I have really sensitive skin. But the reason that I buy these, even though I know I'm not going to put them on my face, is because I put them on my feet when I give myself a pedicure at home. Sometimes when you go to nice day spas, they do like foot treatments and they do green tea masks. Your feet feel so good. So if you're doing this at home and you find this mask, put it on your feet, go go ahead and soak them or put it on whenever you want, either before or after you soak. This is going to feel so good afterwards. So if you're scared to buy face masks at Dollar Tree, keep it around for pedicures. I was able to score the Airborne More Than Just Vitamin C packs, and these are only 2 powder packs, which is why they're $1. It's really good for traveling. I love putting this in my travel bag because sometimes when I leave my comfort zone, I start to feel a little sick. This is really nice, and if you are putting a little travel kit for somebody that you know that's going out of town, also really, really nice. One of my friends included stuff like this in their bridesmaid kits, which was brilliant. She had Alka-Seltzer and all that stuff. Brilliant. Keep that in mind. And also always check the expiration. This one expires in 2020, but this Mucinex Multi-Symptom Cold and Fever for Children, I thought this was a really good buy until I saw the expiration, and it expires 2019, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August. It expires in August 2019. So unless you are in the middle of cold and flu season, do not buy this and save it, especially if it's kid formula. Make sure that you check the expiration. Sometimes things end up at Dollar Tree because it's not a popular flavor or because it's just not a well-liked item. And then some things do end up there because they're nearing their expiration and they can't be sold in stores like Walgreens and stuff like that. So it's a really good buy if you're currently going to use it, but not to save. So please, please, please keep that in mind. I fell in love with this little garden sign. First of all, these have been really popular all over Instagram. Obviously the giant size, but these like canvas type things have been so popular. So this one actually has a beautiful print, a really nice saying, and if you don't like it, you can always paint this white because this is canvas paper and put whatever you want on it. But I love it. I absolutely love it. So let me show you some of the stuff that I found in stores that I thought were awesome but didn't need. Dollar Tree has more patterns of their little paper boxes, and I love these. I actually just made a drawer using these. I'll link that below if you're interested. They also have more of the little suitcase looking ones for Father's Day. I did create a video using this last year as well, a wedding centerpiece, but I love that they come in various sizes now. And then these really cool letter sets, they come in different patterns, great for a teen, or if you're just into this, I think it's super duper cute. And this was the coolest. They have Dr. Scholl's compression socks and diabetic socks as well. That's it for me. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments below what you think about the Dollar Tree Plus situation. And as usual, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate y'all so much, and I will see you on the next one.